Hey, this is Andrew with Chemical Concepts. We're coming live from the IWF show. We're going to show you a little concept about how to join wood trim together. Really fast way to do it. So we're going to do it kind of like the cooking shows. This is a little example of what the final product is going to do. And this is how you do it. We're going to use our CA 2400 adhesive. And we're just going to put this, apply that on the one side. I'll try not to get this all over my hands. Right? And then we have our spray activator. So I'm just going to apply that to the other side. Now I'm just going to join that together. Just do one other spray, and we're bonded. So let's just do another one real fast. So we're going to apply the adhesive to the one side. Try and get good coverage. I'm going to spray my other side. Just going to hold that there for just 30 seconds. Do one more spray. There we are. Very fast and efficient way of doing wood moldings. Just to give you an idea of what this stuff can do. That was just after maybe a minute.